What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request today from JD. This is Sakuragi from Outlaw Players. French manga. It has a trailer. It looks like that was made. Never got made into a full anime. Fortunately, it looks kind of cool though. Probably would make a good one. So let's draw the main character. He sent me this image. It's a cool image. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So his head's kind of small behind his arm. He's a big hand coming across his body. So we start with his large visible eye that we can see. Curving up and down. And then we'll kind of hook it down. Kind of typical anime style. And then bring this back into the corner there. So he's got like some eyelid lines and stuff. It's very dark in there. But we can't see his blue. We'll do the blue iris. Got a lot of hair, this guy, so it covers much of his face. Black pupil just there in the middle. Do 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 do. And then right, so like it's his hair kind of covers much of this, right? So we got like some spikes. I'll just do this first because it does cover a lot of his hair and his face. Sorry, should I say? So it like curves across here. And then some goes this way. So then in there we can see his eyebrow. And then like I think an eyelid line. There. So then this hair covers like his other eye. His other eye kind of starts behind his hair. So kind of like spikes down. And then his other eyelid line is like here. Bottom eyelid, and then his blue iris, pupil, just there, and then it's like his eyebrows here as well, frowning kind of heavily. And then we get some more hair coming down onto his face here. Do 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 do. And then some onto his face this side. Long sort of sideburns. And then hair kind of keeps going all out this way then. And we can see a little bit of his nose. It's like the tip of his nose there. And then there's a nostril just there. I think I might colour his eyebrows black because they look black in the drawing here I'm drawn from. Do 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 do. Right, Right, he's smiling, so he's got like a big smile across his face. Back down. And then like teeth just sort of drawn in here on the side by these shadows. So we can't see much, so he's like his chin maybe just here. And then this goes up for his jaw. That way, so he has like a piece of armor that comes across his face here, so can't really see the other side of his face. So it's like his big shoulder comes across, swoops across that way. And then his ear. Right, and then like he's got like, you know, what's that game? Final Fantasy VII. He's got like that type of spiky hair for the main character from that game, Cloud. What's his name? I can't remember his name now. So he's got like little spikes here, and then they start to get like bigger then. I'll go that way and then the other side. It's like some that come like across the front here. Right. Kind of like that. So we have an arm going back this way with armor, and then his body, and then the big hand. So we'll do the armor, right? So big sort of curved armor plate over his shoulder. And then it's got like a circle here. And like some overlapping kind of lines on it, just like that. And then his chest comes down this way, goes behind his hand, and he's got a red collar going right by his chin. And then there's a center sort of yellow. Then he's got a strap. Okay, maybe we'll do the big arm first. So very big, right? So big shoulder, right? There's all details in this. There's like a circle in here. And then like a spike for his arm going that way. And then this has a big armored forearm sort of plate or something here coming down that way. And then the top of the shoulder armor. There's a couple of different sort of lines on this, just curving around, following the shape for his shoulder. There's like a little circle here. It's probably like that thing. And there's loads of metal and stuff. Another plate here goes behind his hand. It's got a circle in it. Right, some details on this armor plating. Right. Right, so we tried do this big hand. So there's a couple of details. So it comes around the bottom, right? So we get this W shape for the palm of his hand. This. Right, and then this comes up the back and up for his little finger. There. Right, he's got like it's like a robot hand, I think. Could be wrong about that, but there's like a black thing here. And then there's like a fingernail. And we do that again. There's another one here. That way. Right, and then this comes down to his thumb, which comes out from the palm of the hand there. Does he have a circle thing on his hand in there as well? Very dark in there, can't see really. Could be like a circle thing in there. There is little discs on the base of his fingers, like that. And then there's something here. He's got a bag here. And then it's like the base of this red tunic, this sort of waistcoat that he wears, just goes off that way. It's got a yellow rim. It kind of flows out this way then. And then I think his knee just goes that way. Right, so that's tricky, especially the big hand. So, small hand now. So not as much detail in this one, so it's just like a sleeve. Red and then a white rolled up sleeve. And then the skin of his forearm. And then a glove. Just comes out here. Okay, and just a clenched fist kind of a thing. There he is. That is Sakuragi from Outlaw Players. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon. JD. See you in the next one. Bye.